It's a collaborative relationship. It's a relationship with the designers. It's a relationship with the park maintenance people. It's a collaboration with the users. Hi, my name is John Jansen, and I am the president of Wishbone Site Furnishings. We manufacture municipal-grade site furnishings out of recycled plastics and metals. Their function is to beautify a space, create an environment that is pleasing to the eye. It's welcoming to people. How can we be different? How can we create something that people stand back and go, wow, I would have never thought of that.